In this lecture, we will see the COUNTIF family functions application. COUNTIF, SUMIF, and average if functions. Let's start with the COUNTIF functions. We have a list of category with its price and revenue generated. We want to know how many items are available in each department. To calculate that, we'll use the COUNTIF functions. So let's enter that useful formula here. The items part is equal to COUNTIF. Select the COUNTIF functions. The range will be column B, that is a department, and the criteria, comma, and the criteria will be the kitchen itself. The name of the item, that is a kitchen, and we'll close the brace, and enter. Now we have the results. We can double click to copy it down or drag it down. Now we have the total item in each department. What if we want to know the total revenue generated for each items? In this case, we'll use the SUMIF functions. So let's enter that formula also here. The revenue part is equal to SUMIF, and the range will be the same with the previous, that is the department, and comma, the criteria will be the kitchen, the name of the category, and the sum range will be the revenue column, that is column E. We'll select column E and double click. Now we have this result. We can drag it down to apply for the other category as well. Now we have the total revenue for each item in the departments. Last but not least, we can see the average function. Our goal is to find the average price for each item category. So to do that, we can enter the average if functions here is equal to average if, and the range will be the same, that is the department column, and the criteria will be also the same, and the average range will be now the C column, that is the price. Can close the brace and we can drag to apply it to down. Now get this. So these are the powerful tools and easy to use as well.